Hello, sir. I'm Angelica Joy Beracho. I'm going to do is the performing, donning, putting the PPE. First is the perform hand hygiene, wash hands or use an alcohol. Put on gown. Ensure the gown fully covers the neck to knees, arms to end of wrist, and wrap around the back. Tie at the back of the neck and waist. Next is put on mask. Mold the nose piece up into the mask. Put on eye protection. Put on gloves. Fit gloves over the cuffs, ensuring the gown sleeves are covered by the glove.